If you've been wondering how to align text in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to align your text perfectly inside CapCut PC, whether you want it left aligned, centered, or right aligned. This is a small change, but it can make a huge difference in how clean and professional your video looks. So if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, look at the top panel and click on Text. This is where you'll find all of your text tools and editing options. After that, go down to your timeline and click on the text layer you want to adjust. Make sure the correct text box is selected, because any changes you make will only apply to that layer. Now on the right side of the screen, open the Text Settings panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of the formatting controls for your text. Scroll through the options until you find alignment. Depending on the layout of your project, you'll usually see three main choices: left align, center align, and right align. If you want your text to start from the left side of the box, choose left align. This is useful for captions, informational text, or any layout where you want a clean reading flow from left to right. If you want your text balanced in the middle, choose center align. This is one of the most common options for titles, subtitles, and stylish on-screen text. And if you want your text to sit against the right side, choose right align. This can be helpful for certain design styles, lower thirds, or more advanced text layouts. Once you click the alignment option you want, CapCut will instantly update the text on your canvas. If the text still doesn't look quite right, you can fine-tune it by adjusting the line spacing or letter spacing. Line spacing is great when you have multiple lines of text and want more room between them. Letter spacing helps you spread the characters out or bring them closer together for a tighter, more polished look. A quick tip here: always preview your text over the actual video background before finishing. Sometimes text can technically be aligned correctly, but it may still look off depending on the size, placement, or font you're using. Small adjustments can make your design feel much more intentional and much easier to read. And that's really all there is to it. Now you know how to align text in CapCut on PC in just a few simple steps. Whether you're editing YouTube videos, social media clips, or any other project, proper text alignment can instantly improve the overall look of your content. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future CapCut editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.